In this video, we will discuss 4 ways to represent a function. Functions are relationships where one thing is dependent upon another. This relationship can be represented many ways, and these ways generally fall under 4 categories. We will explore those 4 categories using the example of McDonald's hamburgers. A chemistry student investigated the relationship between the number of grams of fat and the number of calories of many McDonald's sandwiches and found a pattern showing the number of calories depends on the number of grams of fat. This is a verbal representation of a function. Notice the words depends on is an indication that we are talking about a function, and sometimes you will see the words something is a function of something else. Here we have a table of values that shows the corresponding number of grams of fat to their calories. This information could also be represented as a list of ordered pairs. In either case, it is using numbers, and so this is a numeric way of representing functions. This is an equation that represents the same function, showing the relationship of the growth and the starting value. We can put together symbols and numbers to create equations to represent functional relationships, and this is called a symbolic or algebraic representation. And the fourth method is visual. We represent equations and functions using graphs, or sometimes we use different kinds of mappings and drawings. So there are 4 ways to represent functions, and each method has its benefits and its uses. Sometimes it's better to show information in a graph. Sometimes we need to have an equation to model the function so we can calculate and predict further information. We use words to describe real-life scenarios, and then tables of values and ordered pairs help us to further explore functions.